am so happy that I can breathe this fresh air again. After all we went through in the mirror caves, I never thought knowing the 5 rules of plural nouns can be this important to save our life. That was intense. I am so proud that we made it. And now I don't need to even look at my map, because I know where exactly we are heading to. And that is the proper P. So, let's go. Common slope? What does that mean? Let's go and see. Look at here. What are these? Why are they here? Huh? What do those signs mean? It's so strange. Let's keep up climbing now. We may find out later. Wow! Look at the view! It's really beautiful. Wait! I can see something over there. I can see smoke, too. Let's see what it is. Ah, there are many camps there. I can see many teachers and students, and also many scientists, doctors and nurses, all working together. Wait, what is that? There are many camps in the world. Why do I see these signs everywhere? Anyway, let's continue our way. Look, there is a scientist there. Let's go and talk to him. Hi.
You should be Ed, right?
Yes.
What's up?
Excuse me. Why are there so many teachers, students, doctors, nurses, and scientists here?
Good question. We are many in the world, and we are here to study nouns. This part of the mountain helps us understand them. Let me show you some stuff.
He showed me many beautiful things like flowers, birds, and animals. But he kept telling me they are all common and there are many of them in the world. I think there is something about this mountain that we should learn. What's this sound? Hi!
Hi.
Why are there many goats here?
I don't know. I just heard it's because there are many of us in the world.
That sounds about right. We are almost at the peak. Let's finish it. Wow, look at this. Finally, we are here. Isn't it amazing? I figured out what those signs were. Desks, chairs, books, scientists, teachers, goats. They're all general. There are many of them in the world. This is what the mountain wants to show. Common nouns. They are general, and there are many of them in the world. So I think it's time to go down now. What is that over there? Let's see from closer. It has a name on it. It seems it used to be a special desk for Dr. Oak. But why is it here? There should be something about that. Well, let's keep up now. What? And a single chair now? This is so strange. I am sure now the mountain wants to show us something again. And look, this is also a special book. Do you see that camp? Let's go and talk to them.
We have a guest.
Hello.
We are happy to see you.
My name is Dr. Lena. Welcome to our camp.
My name is Mr. Stone. I also work in this special camp.
And I am Nurse Aya. I help both Dr. Lena and Mr. Stone here.
Nice to meet you all. This is not any camps. These are not just any people. They're special. Well, we are almost at the bottom of the mountain. I think it's better to go and finish it then.
Goodbye.
Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Ah, what is this? Oh my God, this screen again.
We are always with you, wherever you go. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question. Choose the common noun. A. Dr. Lena. B. Desk. C. The golden chair. D. The book of peaks. Choose the proper noun. A. Chair. B. Student. C. Camp. D. Mr. Stone. Plural nouns always begin with capital letters. A. True. B. False. Congratulations!
Up the mountain, common. Down the mountain, proper.
Walking up the mountain high, so many things go passing by. Desks and chairs and books I see, people, places, things all free. Teachers, students, goats and more, all around me by the score. Not just one, there's plenty to speak. I'm climbing up the common peak. Up the mountain, common, many things we see. General names, all the same for you and me. Down the mountain, cover, one special name to say. That's the rule, that's the way, at the proper peak today. and down below. Things feel special, names start to glow. Dr. Oak's desk, one of a kind. The golden chair, easy to find. Dr. Lena, Mr. Stone. Nurse Aya, not just anyone. One special person, place, or thing.